In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create an account on Wave accounting software. By the end of this walkthrough, you will know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to complete the early setup so you can start using the platform for your business. To begin, open your web browser and go to the Wave accounting website. Make sure you are visiting the official site so that you do not run into any fake pages or incorrect sign-up screens. Once the website loads, take a moment to look for the main sign-up area. You should see an option that leads you into creating an account. Next, click the button that says Get Started Now or Sign Up for Free. This is the entry point to the account creation flow. If you see multiple options, choose the one that is clearly for starting or signing up. After you click it, the page will usually shift to a form where Wave can collect the information needed to set up your account. Now you will be asked to enter your email address and a secure password. In this part of the process, the email address is how Wave will identify your account and help you access it later. Choose a password that is secure, meaning it should be hard for others to guess and easy for you to remember. As you type, be sure to use the correct formatting and double-check for mistakes. If the page provides any password rules, follow those carefully. After you have entered the required details, click the button that says Create Your Free Account. This tells Wave to submit your information and begin creating your account. You may see a brief loading screen while the system confirms your details. If everything is correct, you will move forward to the next stage of the sign-up process. At this point, the onboarding prompts will appear. These prompts are designed to help the software tailor itself to your business from the start. Take your time here because entering the right information early makes the rest of the setup smoother. The first prompt typically asks you to enter your business name. Use the exact name you want to appear across invoices and reports. If you are just starting out, it is fine to use your current business name, and you can revisit it later if you need to. Following that, you will be asked to choose your country. This setting matters because it can affect the way taxes and business details are displayed and organized. Select the country that matches where your business is based or where you operate. Then you will be asked to enter your currency. Choose the currency you want to use for your accounting records. Setting the correct currency helps keep payments, expenses, and reports consistent. As you complete these onboarding prompts, carefully review what you entered before moving on. The goal is to make sure Wave has the basics it needs, so you do not have to correct everything later. Once you confirm the information, the system will finalize your setup and take you into your new Wave accounting account. And that covers everything you need to know. You went to the Wave accounting website, started the sign-up process, entered your email and secure password, created your free account, and completed the onboarding steps for your business name, country, and currency. And that is all there is to it.